This is Eric with TechnoRV, and this is the TechnoRV Learning Series for the Rand McNally RV Tablet 70. And in this video, I'm going to show how to set preferences up, specifically your general preferences. So we'll start just from the main screen here. If you'll just go ahead and push the RV GPS just right here in the center, and then in your lower right hand corner you'll see the little wheel, and if you'll just go ahead and press that wheel, that'll take you to preferences. You'll notice that there are tabs across the top, and in this video we're just going to cover the general tab. So the first one is this is going to affect the brightness of your GPS. Always day is going to make it brighter, always night will make it not as bright, or you can put it on automatic. RV info, if you go here and then click RV info over here, then this is just going to take you back to setting up your RV specific information, which we've already done in another video for you. So we'll skip past that. The skin type, this is just a preference thing on what you want the RV to look, or your GPS to look like as you're traveling, and so you can kind of play around with that. Your RV type, it's set on RV, so this will take into consideration the information you put in as far as height, weight, and all of that. But if you transitioned your GPS to your, say, a tow car or your truck, then you could change this to car, and then it would not take into consideration the height and the weight and all that. So it's a very good feature so that you can change that or move your GPS from your RV to your car. The screen click, on or off when you push something on the screen. Do you want to click or not? Here's the tutorial for this GPS can be found here. The voice name is basically what this is saying is if it's a lady's name, then it will be a lady's voice, and if it is a man's name, then it will be a man's voice. So that's totally up to you. And then of course your language is going to be here. Units, US standard, metric. Toll prompts, do you want to be prompted of toll, enable or disable this, the clock setting. And then of course the last one is just information about how to get in contact with Rand McNally, and that is how you set up your preferences, your general preferences in the Tablet 70.